Alrighty, so today we're going to go over Upwork, and Upwork is where a lot of people hire freelancers, and you can actually be a freelancer yourself. So what you're going to do is do find work, and then you're going to do search. So here I've done customer success manager, and you can see there's so many different jobs that you can see: full-time customer success manager, customer service manager, team lead, full-time client success manager, full-time client success manager, experienced customer success agent. A lot of jobs here. And it's really important just to change the actual keyword that you're looking for. So here I've done account manager. So account manager jobs, a lot of them are being posted every single day. So quite a lot of those jobs: e-commerce, Instagram account manager, social media account manager, client success manager, quite a lot of jobs there. And then again, just change up that search. So customer service, Polish speaker, bilingual customer service, e-commerce, virtual assistant, customer service specialist, bilingual, Latin America. A lot of customer service and customer support jobs are out there. You just got to know where to look, and it's not always LinkedIn. And then finally, I did client success manager. So here, client success manager, success client, case client, full-time client success manager position. A lot of jobs, and that's what I really want to open people's eyes up to, is that not everything is on LinkedIn, guys. Everything is the internet. Everything can be anywhere. So Upwork.com, incredible place to find yourself some jobs. I hope this helps.